Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 16th, 2022. And we have here three regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku, and just solve this one, the binary puzzle, and the killer Sudoku. But I will continue with this one, the Sudoku medium. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also 7 extra puzzles in the additional. And the news of today, yes, war day number 266. 266 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed. Anyway, let me continue. Sudoku medium number 5488. Yes, 5488. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need time for solving the puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 5, okay, 5. Okay. How about the 3 in the last row? The 3 in a row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in the second row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this row should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. You see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be here. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then let me think. 7. 7, 5, and 8. Well. 6. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. 4, 5, 5. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now, one box left in the list column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 5, 5, 5, 5. 2 is also missing. 2, 2, 7, 4. 2, 7, 4. Okay. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this second row. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7, 7. Okay. 7, 7. I'm thinking. 1, 2 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so third column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be here. Okay. 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, okay. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and 4. Alright, so we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those two boxes in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. Then 2 and 1 in this column. 1 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be here. The one in this row, the one in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the one should be here, here, or there. We have a one in third column, no one there. Here, one in second column, so no one there. So the only place left for the one should be here. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. White. 2, 2, 5. And a 6. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 5. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, well, well. 4 and 8. Need to wait. Need to wait. And now 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then. Let me think. How about? Yeah. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. So the 2, the 5, and 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here, 5 in this row. So no 5 there. There's only place left for the 5. Should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Need to wait. 8, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. Then look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have an 8 in this row. Last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Wait. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 7 and 4, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 5 in this column. Last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see how 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. The 2 and the 6, I believe. Yeah, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes. And they are finished in 15 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this medium Sudoku. Definitely 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.